Just 20 minutes from the flashing lights of Las Vegas Strip lies something surreal, a rainbow of stacked boulders rising from the desert floor. It's called Seven Magic Mountains, and it looks like it landed from another world. But what is it, and why is it here in the middle of the Mojave? Let's dive into the story behind Nevada's most unexpected art installation. So what is it? It is a large-scale site-specific public art installation by Swiss artist Hugo Rondon. It officially opened in the public in May of 2016 in the Ivanpah Valley just off Interstate 15, about 10 miles south of Las Vegas and north of Jean Dry Lake. The project was a collaboration between the Nevada Museum of Art and the Art Production Fund, taking over 5 years to plan, fund, and build. The installation features 7 towering stacks of boulders, each painted in fluorescent neon colors. The stack range from 30 to 35 feet tall, made from locally sourced limestone boulders weighing up to 25 tons each. The vivid colors sharply contrast with the mute tones of the desert, symbolizing the intersections between the natural and the artificial, nature and urban life. Rondon described it as a psychedelic mirage meant to invoke a spiritual of dreamlike reactions in those who experience it. Over 33 boulders were hand-selected and cut, then painted with industrial-grade fluorescent paint. Special engineering was required to anchor the rock safely into the desert ground, as the sculptures must endure wind, heat, and extreme desert weather. The colors were chosen to deliberately evoke both urban neon and natural rainbow tones, blending Las Vegas culture with elemental themes. Originally planned as a 2-year exhibition, it was extended due to overwhelming public support. More than 325,000 people visited in the first year alone, and millions have since made the trip. It has been featured in countless Instagram posts, music videos, editorials, and travel campaigns, becoming one of the most iconic roadside attractions in the American Southwest. So Seven Magic Mountains proves that art doesn't need walls, and that even in the driest, most barren places, creativity can thrive. It's bold, bizarre, and breathtaking. Whether you're a local or just passing through, make time to stand in the shadows of these towering tricolor totems. You'll feel the energy shift the moment you arrive. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for more hidden travel gems, and drop a comment if your favorite art installation you've seen is the Seven Magic Mountains. Until next time, stay curious and keep chasing the unexpected, and I'll see you next time on our next trip.